At the edge of the world, where the land meets the sky and the ice meets the sea, lies a realm like no other, the Arctic. A place of extreme beauty, relentless cold, and unyielding power. Here, in the summer, the sun never fully sets for months. Yet when night falls in the winter, it lasts for weeks, plunging the world into an icy darkness. The Arctic is a land of extremes, where survival means adapting to its unforgiving rhythms. But life endures. From the mighty polar bear to the magical reindeer to the resilient penguin, the animals that call this place home have developed extraordinary ways to survive and thrive. This is the Arctic, a place of mystery, beauty, and survival, a world of resilience where the forces of nature shape every moment.